Cozy living room, comfortable bedroom, quiet study, cheerful dining room, warm bathroom. No matter where you are, Haier R32 Match Plus always takes good care of you. Reliable efficiency and environmental friendly. R32 refrigerant released carbon dioxide less than R410A, up to A3+, the highest European standard. Its standby mode requires less power to reduce energy consumption. SEER increases by 0.2 to 0.3. Full DC fan motor of indoor and outdoor units. DC inverter compressor improve operating efficiency. Professional design makes it more efficient. 550mm fan and reinforced fan motor bracket. Reduce vibration and noise. Ventilation design of electric control box reduces its operating temperature to prolong service life. 3-in-1 PCB reduce internal space while improving safety. Compact design benefit for end users. Occupy less space to be installed under the window. Benefit for customers. Inventory. Store more units in the same space. Simple operation makes people free from worry. Only one screw for wiring to save installation time. General stop valve vacuum every indoor unit from one valve only to save time, making it easy to clear up. Double 8 display screen, checking the operation data on the spot, facilitating maintenance. Haier R32 Match Plus can also be controlled intelligently by multiple controllers applied to various residential and commercial buildings. Haier R32 Match Plus. Enjoy yourself in a breeze.